Good morning, Gladiators. Today is Monday, November 16th, 2020. Today we're going to be going over a capitalization review and completing a capitalization check, and we'll be doing this every day for this week to prepare for our cold read. When we come back, you will be tested over capitalization. So in your bell work, L&B tab, I'd like for you to answer the question, why is it important to laugh? You can write in phrases, you can make a list, you can write a complete sentences. Any way you'd like to brainstorm the idea of why it is important to laugh is fine. Please press pause on this video so that you can have some time to do this warm-up activity. And then you're going to go into the informational essay slide presentation. And there will be a day designated with slides for every day this week. We're going to be working on completing the beginning of our informational essay, and there will be a separate video instruction for that. We will be reading The Giver, chapter 17, and we will be working on our sketch journal. We're going to do number 8 is a connection, and then the second part of number 5, which is point of view. And this is not for today, so that won't be there. Okay, so let's look at our sketch journal so you will know what to do with that. So the connection is you are going to choose 2 of these boxes to answer. You can choose text to self. Does this book remind you of something or someone in your own life? Can you relate to the chapters in this novel? How else does this novel relate to your life? You can connect it to text, which would be another piece of literature. What does this novel remind you of? A different piece of literature? Maybe you can compare a character in another book, author's style of writing. Maybe you've read another genre, a dystopian genre. So how can you make a text-to-text connection? If you think about Bradbury's The Veldt, you might be able to connect with that. And then text to world. We've learned about genocide and the Holocaust, different historical events that were an attempt at utopia then became a dystopia. So you can also make a text to world. I'm sorry, I take it back. You're to answer 2 of these questions from all 3 boxes. So you have to do all 3, but you only have to choose 2 questions. And then you're going to provide a visual representation of this in your sketch journal. And then we're going to finish number 7, the point of view portion. So we've already done imagery. What does the point of view what point of view does the story use? And we determined that it was first person. Jonah is telling us I and me and his perspective and first person point of view. What are the advantages of this type of point of view? How does it help you understand the novel? And then draw a visual representation of that point of view, maybe Jonah's description of specific memories that he's had, any kind of visual representation. When we are done reading and working in our sketch journal and you have completed all of our activities today, then you are free to go. If you have any questions, please let me know through email. I'd love to see you in Zoom. I hope you have a wonderful day.